Welcome to another tech video with 99 reviews. In this video, I am going to talk about adding shortcut in iPhone. So today, you will know how to add shortcuts in your iPhone. Let's start the video. First, you have to open Shortcuts application, which is pre-installed in iPhones. Then tap on plus icon at the right upper corner. After that, tap on search bar and search anything you want to add as a shortcut, or scroll down and add anything in the shortcut. From there, for example, I am adding Open Video in Shortcut. Tap on Video, then tap on Done. Now this screen appears. Tap on 3 dots on this shortcut of Open Video. Now scroll down and tap on Add to Home Screen. Change the color of icon according to yourself, and then tap on Add. Now, the shortcut is added to iPhone home screen. Whenever I tap on that shortcut, video camera opens. You can add anything in Shortcut by following this way, so follow the steps and enjoy the shortcuts. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next one.